Tangshan Qiming Trade Company Limited, known as Qiming Packaging, established in 2016. Near to Beijing City and Tianjin City, we enjoy convenient air, land, and sea transportation. Qiming Packaging is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of plastic packaging products like plastic lids covers, plastic buckets pails, plastic folding crates, plastic egg trays, and plastic pallets boxes. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Our cooperative factory owns professional injection equipment and blister equipment and has tooled 108 kinds of molds to cater to different customer preferences. Your ODM/OEM orders are welcomed. We own sufficient inventory, which can meet the requirements of quick sample sending, trial order, and decent order on-time delivery 100% inspection before each delivery. In addition, we have obtained food-grade test report. With export license, we export products to Oceania, North America, South America, Europe, and Southeast Asia. We provide 7 days and 24 hours online service and support 7 days of no reason to return rules. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. With Qiming Packaging, your money in safe and your business in safe. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.